Hi kids, today we will learn few important facts about birds. They are of different sizes, shapes and breeds. Some of them live in the warm places, some in hot places and some like to live in very cold place. Like penguin like to live in a cold place. All the birds have some common characteristics like they have one beak, they eat and give food to their baby with it. Sometimes they use their beak to clean themselves. All birds have two legs and two wings. Their hollow bones and strong muscle help them to fly. You know, kids, some birds cannot fly, like ostrich, penguins, and emu. Some birds like to swim in the water, like swan, duck, and penguin. All birds lay egg in their nest. They build their nest by themselves. Birds like to eat seeds and nuts and fruit. Some birds like to eat fish as well, but other birds like crow and eagle, they like to eat meat of the other animals. Basically, they are carnivorous. You know, kids, which is the smallest bird? Yes, hummingbird. Its size is 3 to 4 inches only. And which is the largest bird? Yes, ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird and it is the fastest two-legged animal. Its egg is approximately about 1.5 kg in weight. We can also keep some birds in our home as a pet like ducks, parrots and pigeon. Hope kids you have enjoyed this video. Dear kids, birds are the beautiful creature of God. Please don't harm them. Thank you.